Welcome back to part 2 of the Slotcar table build, guys and gals. And this is the progress I made. So you saw just the framing work for it. Now here it is on 4 legs. I made my legs 36 inches long, and they have wheels on the bottom with locks, full 360 swivel. That way they can kind of go any direction. I can roll this sucker anywhere in the garage. I actually had my Honda truck in here next to it. There's still plenty of room to open the doors and work around. So, you know, I can wheel this thing outside if I have to bring both cars in, or if I want my truck in the center of the garage. I did skin it, and I did radius the outside edges. Like I said, the wood was going to stick over 1 foot on each end. Now all these 2x4s that are on top of the table here, my next build is going to be to do, you know, and a lot further down. Some really nice angles here to keep these legs from, you know, that's just not enough support for it, especially if I'm going to roll it. So I'm going to take it up on both directions, both sides, all the way around. I might even connect these 2 end ones together and build a shelf across there for laying extra track and stuff. So it's going to be a short video. You see the eye hooks here. You know, my original intention was to actually lift this thing up, and I actually did the work. I ran some, I put a hoist up here in the corner, got it secured really well. It goes, those bolts go all the way to the outside into a 2x4 out there, so that, with big washers. And then these metal brackets here, I actually put some up in the crawl space, all the 10-foot long ones, and then I bolted these, double bolted, pinched it together and put these eye bolts in. And I got 4 of them, and they're directly over if this table, but the geometry of the system, and one side going up faster than the other, and having to run a pulley all the way across to here and then back to make this thing lift up, and precariously hanging over the top of my vehicles, this gigantic table. I would have a hard time explaining that to the insurance company if this sucker fell, and I doubt it would, but I'm not going to take the chance. I'm just going to play with this like this for now. It's all just screwed together. If I ever have to take it apart, I wouldn't be wasting wood or nothing. So part 3 of the video, I'll get this sucker all painted up, and I'll actually have all these extra support beams on, and I'll kind of give you that update here in a couple days. And then it's going to be time for laying some track layouts on here and seeing what I'm going to do. Styrofoam is just for building, you know, some of the parts of the track and everything. So thanks for tuning in to part 2. And, you know, this is a departure from my regular videos, but something to do during the lock-in stuck at your house. And it's pretty fun so far. So talk to everybody later, and hit that like and subscribe button even for this kind of silly content. And I'll be bringing you more car stuff as I find time to do it. Thanks. Bye.